as hundreds of construction workers watched on from inside the new Bills Stadium site. First responders marked the moments hijackers hit the World Trade Center.
It's very rare to get 750 construction workers not whispering to each other, a couple not paying attention. If you looked out onto that crowd, every single person was laser focused on the theme of today, remembrance. We called it Remembrance Stand Down.
At 8:46 a.m., a siren rang through the air, marking the time 23 years ago when a terrorist flew Flight 11 into the North Tower of the World Trade Center.
It's 9:03.
17 minutes later, another siren marked when the South Tower was hit.
Knowing that people were running in, as victims were running out, those firemen, just what was going through their heads, that's something I think about all the time, especially this time of year, knowing man, they knew it wasn't good, but they still all went up there.
Many of those in attendance of today's ceremony have a personal connection to that tragic day, whether they witnessed it, lost someone they love, or were there in the aftermath.
As looking at it out the window of the 36th floor of this high-rise, we noticed that a plane just flew over our head. The building almost shook.
Program director for Gilbane Turner, Joe Byrne, had been in Midtown Manhattan that morning at a job site.
And as I locked down the building, because Manhattan became locked down, the people were coming up the streets with their suit and their briefcase covered head to toe in soot, walking as if it was a scary movie.
Myself and a couple other guys actually went down there after 9/11 and helped clean up some of the mess that was made, and like I said, just to remember the camaraderie that everybody had in such a tragic event was very nice.
Reporting in Orchard Park, Marlee Tuskus, News 4.